Jalagisiwonihi. Do you speak Cherokee? Osta, welcome back. I have a green cup today. Hopefully you have a drink of your choice. Green is Ije Iyusti. Ije Iyusti, green. Last time I think we had a yellow cup, Dalonige. Yellow, Dalonige. Let's get into a quick review. Idalena, let's begin. Last time we went over 108, which is nihina. I want to try to focus on the syllabary this time. Nihina. 109, it could be or and there's the syllabary, 110, kla, kla, kla. 111, hawa, hawa, hawa. Now, if you haven't practiced these, that's why I try to recommend going over all of the videos. I have a video that goes through all of these. You can practice them with the Clockface Syllabary. And I do want to go over why the Clockface Syllabary makes a difference. When you are trying to learn nihina, if you want to read it from the syllabary, it will show you on the clock face. It'll point with the short hand to the N sound and the long hand to the E sound. So it'll be ni, e, ni. And it'll be the ni symbol. Just like we have here, ni, nihina. The he, very similar. A short arrow pointing to the H and a long arrow pointing to the E. So that would be ha, e, ha, e. And then we would have the he syllabary. The same for the na. We have the na and the ah. So it would be a short arrow pointing to the na and a long arrow pointing to the ah. Na-ah. And the reason why I developed this was so that if you were in between fully memorizing and learning the syllabary, you could use the clock face phonetics to identify what the sound of the syllabary character is inside of each clock face. So I do have materials on that. If you're interested, I do have a video that goes over all of the syllabary characters. And that's why I advertised the book at the end. If you want to go that far, you can get the book and study it from an ebook if you prefer. You don't have to, because I do give this for free in the videos. But if that helps you, then that's available also. In the book, I do try to give some extra visual imagery so that if you need the extra visual imagery cues, I do put those in the book. But this is just a quick review. Hopefully you are learning the syllabary. I believe that this is extremely important when you're an at-large person or when you're someone who did not grow up hearing the Cherokee language. If it's not your first language, I do believe it's important to learn the syllabary and the sounds associated with that, and that is why I developed the Clockface Syllabary. So, hopefully this helps you. I'm glad you're learning along with me. I really appreciate you watching these videos. If you want to learn Cherokee and learn speaking with other people, invite them to watch the videos, and then you'll have somebody new to speak with. Have your friends join you. They don't have to be Cherokee to learn Cherokee. You don't have to be a Cherokee citizen to learn the Cherokee language. So hopefully these videos will help you, and hopefully down the road we'll meet some way, whether in a Zoom or maybe at a Cherokee meeting, and we'll be able to speak Cherokee together. Thanks for joining. I'll see you on the next video. Wado. Donada goha'i. If you want to see more videos like this one, click subscribe.
and share this link with your friends. If you'd like to have all of these memory tips in one place, then in place of one fancy drink through a drive-thru, you can treat yourself to a Cherokee language book like this one, and then you can learn all 86 Cherokee syllabary characters at your own pace. Or keep coming back to this site for more videos, whichever works best for you. You can use the Cherokee Total Recall system to memorize an entire syllabary and more. Visit www.dpbickerdike.com to learn more.